Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 2, Tips for Writing Top-Notch Content. Writing top-notch content is crucial for engaging your audience and attracting new readers. Here are some tips to help you create high-quality content. 1. Understand your audience. Before you start writing, take the time to understand your target audience. What are their interests, pain points, and needs? Tailor your content to address these aspects. 2. Create a strong headline. Your headline is the first thing readers see, so make it compelling and attention-grabbing. Use strong language and convey the benefit or value of reading your content. 3. Provide value. Your content should provide value to your readers. Whether it's informative, entertaining, or inspiring, make sure your content is worth their time. 4. Use clear and concise language. Write in a clear and concise manner. Avoid jargon and complex sentences that might confuse your readers. 5. Use subheadings and bullet points. Break up your content into easy-to-read sections with subheadings and bullet points. This makes your content more scannable and helps readers find the information they're looking for quickly. 6. Include visuals. Use images, infographics, and videos to enhance your content and make it more engaging. Visuals can help break up text and make your content more visually appealing. 7. Use examples and stories. Examples and stories can help illustrate your points and make your content more relatable and memorable. 8. Edit and proofread. Before publishing your content, make sure to edit and proofread it carefully. Check for grammar and spelling errors, as well as overall clarity and coherence. 9. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your content to improve its visibility in search engine results. However, avoid keyword stuffing and focus on creating high-quality, valuable content. 10. Encourage engagement. End your content with a call to action, CTA, that encourages readers to engage with your content, such as leaving a comment, sharing the post, or subscribing to your newsletter. By following these tips, you can create top-notch content that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your blogging goals.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.